In this video, you're going to learn how to use the inspiration database in Blotato so that you never run out of ideas. So first, navigate on the left-hand side to inspiration. The neat thing about this database is that you can search by different topics and filter by engagement, the type of media, number of likes, comments, and even find specific creators. So let's search the keyword ChatGPT, and you'll see a lot of different content pop up. If you don't want to scroll infinitely, click shuffle here. This is one of my favorite features, and it will just shuffle like all of the content that it has. Now, suppose you want to filter by the number of likes, minimum 100 likes. This will automatically apply the filter to the posts here. And now you can see all of the posts being displayed have at least 100 likes. Okay. What if you want posts that have minimum 100 comments? Now we're going to get a different set of results. Just keep scrolling down until the results run out. Or what I like to do is just click shuffle and it gets me new content, new ideas. Let's remove the keyword ChatGPT. Let's say you follow specific creators in your niche. Now this will show you all of Justin Welsh's posts. Let's say we really like this post and we want to create our own version. You can remix it into your own version. So click remix here. This will automatically add it as a source. Here's the text. The original post was, I know enough rich people to say being filthy rich burned out sucks. If you think working 100 hours per week to make 5 million per year is awesome, you're going to be in for a real surprise. And now here's the variation that Blotato made using Justin Welsh's post as the source. Wealth without freedom is a trap. A life where you can afford what your family needs without burning out is worth more. Make any edits you want here. You can have the AI writer help. 5 million is too dramatic. Change the numbers to be more realistic. I'd updated the post to say making 1 million per year sounds great, which is already, an incredible stretch goal for most people, right? It kept the rest of the post the same. We talked through how to filter and get new inspiration, filter by creator. You can filter by all of these different criteria. And once you find something you like, you can remix it into your own version, put your own spin on it, add your unique point of view, your thoughts, your experience, your stories. Even if you're disagreeing with the initial post, that's great. Don't just copy it blatantly. I add new posts every couple of weeks, so check back to the inspiration database. And if there's a topic you'd love to see more content and inspiration for, just reach out to me by clicking the orange messenger on the bottom right.